Hello again, grade 8s. This is going to be just kind of a review lesson for you today. It's not going to take very long. All I'm really going to talk about are the formulas that you are going to need to be able to finish the chapter review, in case you're unfamiliar with them. So these are kind of the formulas that we've been going over. Okay. The first one, so when you're trying to find the area of a square four-sided shape. Okay, so if we have something like this, and we have a base of 6 and a height of 4. Height of 4. Our formula is going to be area equals base times height, so 4 times 8. So we end up getting 24 centimeters squared in that situation. Okay? If we were to cut that into half and we were to turn that into a triangle, okay? When we're using a triangle, our base and our height are always at 90 degrees from each other, okay? So in this situation, we're going to use the formula area equals base times height divided by 2. Here's our 90 degree angle. So our base and our height are the two lines that are connected to that 90 degree angle. They're never going to be the one that's opposite. Okay, see how it's opposite. We want it to be connected. So we have 6 and we have 4. So we're going to go 6 times 4 divided by 2 for the area of our triangle. So 6 times 4 is 24. 24 divided by 2 is 12. So our area of this triangle is going to be 12 centimeters squared, or meters squared, whatever the units are. Okay? The next one, when we're talking about a circle, okay, there's a couple things we're going to talk about. If we have a radius of 5 centimeters in this situation, if I'm trying to find what the circumference is, the distance all the way around, I'm going to use this formula. Okay, my circumference is equal to 2 times pi times my radius. Okay, so 2 times 3.14 times my radius. In this situation, it's 5. Okay? When I do those calculations, I end up getting 31.4 centimeters. Why is it just centimeters? Well, it's centimeters because it's the distance all the way around the circle. It's a distance. It's not a space. Okay? I think a lot of people might get this confused because they might see it as, well, it's going all the way around, there's the space inside. No. It's actually just talking about the outside distance of something. Okay? So that would be our circumference. When we're talking about area, then we are going to use our formula pi times radius. So what actually happens is this 2 disappears, and then it's going to be times 5 again. So 5 times 5 times 3.14 gives us 78.5 centimeters squared. Squared because it's the area within the circle. So that's the area within the circumference of the circle. Okay? And then the last one that you're going to be using is your volume. Your volume equals your area of the base times the height. Right? So if we have any type of prism, so we're going to start with, let's say, some type of a rectangular prism in this situation. This is going to be my base. It's carried out all the way through, the same shape. Okay? In a rectangular prism, they're always going to be the same. So if we have 3, 2, and 5, similar to the test on the exam that we recently had. Okay? I'm going to say 3 times 2 for my base. If this is going to be what I'm going to call my area. Okay, that's what's going to be carried on all the way through. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Okay, so my volume in this situation is going to be 30 centimeters cubed. Okay, if all the units were in centimeters. Okay, you can use these formulas, and then you can go and do all of the practice in the unit review for Chapter 4 in your Math Makes Sense. And then the next lessons coming up are going to be a little bit different. Make sure that you guys finish the Google form that I'll be submitting as well, just to make sure that I know that you've actually completed it. Once again, if you have any questions, email me. You can get a hold of me, in several different ways. Okay, thank you very much.